I'm gonna change the price of this product. In here, search for the price 245. When you find it, and change it to the 0, and again revert. So revert, intercept off, and now when you click to the add to cart, yeah, boom, it is 0 now. Everything demonstrated in this video is just for educational and defense purposes only. Doing this kind of attack on the other website is not just unethical but also illegal. Try to do this kind of attack in your own websites or in your own labs. How hackers buy something so cheap from different websites. For example, this mic is around $200, but a hacker maybe buy this just for $5 or maybe $0. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this kind of attack. Like this movie that he bought watches just in a few dollars.
Money to live. I'd made enough money for Roosevelt that he increased my access on dark web. I could now buy credit card numbers and fake IDs and use them for online shopping.
Like this. He buys watches just for a few dollars. And in the real world, it is possible, and hackers will do this kind of attack. I recorded the video before, and I'll explain it to you how this is possible. First of all, you have to open the Burp Suite. My Burp Suite is community edition, and if you have the professional edition, it is somehow the best. And just click next, start Burp. After this finished, now open browse, search for some products that you want to change the price of that product. In here I will open the OGD Mark is an online store. So not now, and I select the gifts to send gift for someone, or I'm gonna change the price of this product. So bring the screen of the Burp Suite beside that website you want to attack. Turn on intercept. No results. Click for revert and turn off it again. Select the delivery date, turn on again, and add to cart. In here, search for the price 245. when you find it, and change it to the 0, and again revert. So revert, intercept off, and now when you click to the add to cart, yeah, boom, it is 0 now. And you can do for the different websites like uh, Amazon.com or some websites uh, that you wanna change and you wanna test. This video was just for educational and defense purposes only, and I don't recommend to do illegal activities and hack different websites. Goodbye.